Everybody, can you see one of my cats here? This is my Manx. Disappear around corner in a sec. She knows it's dinner. Here we go, look. No tail. You'll see, but comes every day. I've been feeding it. Tea I call it, because I used to feed its dad and I used to call that one TT. That's the from Isle of Man. So I call this one Tea. And a bit timid, even though I've fed this cat 7 years, but it's a great mouser. All songs right outside cars round here. I've got another one as well, and she comes in Sooty. You've probably seen Sooty on odd videos sneaking past, but I just go, wait, let me stroke it, this one. But it once had it snapped its leg, it's done all sorts of things over years. I've been feeding it about 7 years. See if she comes out. Come on, T. You want your dinner? You're not having it? To go back up. Here we go. Put away. He's coming. Come on then. Here dinner. Come on, I've got you. I want to get you on camera for everybody. You having it? Hey? You getting it? You're looking. Yeah, 7 years, so she's old for a feral, because I've had quite a few feral cats down here, but they've never lasted as long as this one. But got plenty of meat on her, likes a snap. Here she goes. So anyhow, that's one of my cats. I'll try and get Sooty on, other one. She comes in, she'll actually stop inside. I can stroke that one, but she still likes to bite me and this and make a palaver. But this one just keeps its centre its end, shows its face every morning at door, gets its dinner. So these are like your light video, something a bit different, but they're important because they keep out vermin out, pair them. So subscribe to the channel. You're not going to see too many cats, but you might see a bit more of these feral cats. Pass a comment, you want to pass a comment? Thanks everybody. Good it. You want to have these? Come on then. Oh, come on then. Come on your chair. You go on your chair? Huh? Hiya. Here, look, who's these for? Who are these for? You getting them? Everybody wants to see feral cat number 2. How long you been here? You a noisy one, aren't you? Huh? You gonna give me a love? Are you fussing me, eh? There's only me can do that, isn't there? You don't like anybody else, do you? Is that because I gave you dinner? Is it? Pairing? Here? Food van's here, do you have out? Eh? Want a few more? There you go. Right then. So that's the symbol for you now. So that's number 2 feral cat. This one is a top mouser. This one stops inside, never gets in with this one. Simple as. Hess up. You going then, is that it? Bye. Give us a like everybody if you like video. I know it's something different, but they're all about me, these. I come down and feed them every morning. Make sure they're right, keep a bit of weight on them. You know, they probably last a bit longer that way. I think Sooty's, this one's about 5, so she's not doing bad for a feral either. Catch you later.